Hi there. I am reading you a blog post today. I know it's been a while. This is from way back in 2022. It's titled The Myth of the Human Domain. Everywhere I look, I see the human domain. Do you ever wonder that we just take up too much space? Do you ever think about the potential we do not realize because we think of our species in such singular ways? Especially, do you wonder that we limit ourselves because we assume a position of dominance in the web of life? I ask myself, what does it mean to exist in a complex system as an amalgamation of complex systems ourselves? As our planet and its systems are biologically, socially, ecologically, and cognitively interconnected and interdependent, I think it is safe to assume that to be fully human, we must remain connected to ourselves, each other life forms, and our environment in all of these ways. I think that reaching our human potential logically requires this embodiment. The conscious experience of existing in a body, the lived experience of this is a wonder. I take a moment to process how I am positioned in a room. The feeling of sitting or standing, leaning against a wall, I shift my weight from one foot to the next and inhale deeply. Water is cascading down my arm and falling to the shower tiles at my feet. Water is winding its way around and over my feet down through the drain. I take it in. I wonder, am I breathing? Is it that the minute my body began to form that it was on automatic pilot? If that is true, would I be able to hold my breath? To regulate it? What if on some level of consciousness we are controlling all the activities of our nervous system? What if we are tapping into every cell, every chemical running through us? Who is in control? There are studies which show that when we focus on the sensory experience of pain, we are able to reduce it, whereas when we seek to suppress our pain, we experience it more acutely. Accordingly, how much of our consciousness do we keep disconnected from the fullness of being human? Symbiosis. I ask myself, what about the bacteria and other biological entities living inside us, in our gut, on our skin, on our eyelids? Every inch of our bodies is a thriving ecosystem. Have you considered that to be alive, we must share ourselves with organisms we cannot see? They feed on us, they communicate with and live within us. They are us and we are them. We cannot be human without them. Potentiality. I think about the superhero, superhuman narratives that consume our imaginations and wonder that we do not realize that we are already that. Fundamentally, becoming superhuman does not require a magic elixir, a government experiment gone bad, and augmentation. I argue that what being superhuman requires is that we allow ourselves to be fully human. All we need is to let go of the illusion of the human domain and embrace our place in the infinitely interconnected, interdependent web of life. Thank you all for coming. As usual, I will put the link to this blog post in the description of this video. Continue to support my channel, please. There's also links to my books in the video description. Buy my books, gift them. Have a great week ahead, and take care.